Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
this I-
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor. That democracy will not be.
Can I please come in?
You have become even ruder and more obnoxious. I'm sorry, but go ahead.
Is this a personal comment on me?
It is a comment on someone
Okay.
who raises his
I will
voice
not be able
and
to
doesn't allow
participate.
anyone
Listen.
to speak. I want the audience. I asked a question. Is this about one nation, one election, or one nation, one election, one leader? That's the question I asked. If you feel that's an attack on the Prime Minister, I am more than willing to apologize for it. Mera dil bahut bada hai. You don't know how big my chest is, but I won't refer to my chest. None of you are addressing, and maybe Amitabh Tiwari, since you track this, need to. In the last 10 years, and this audience needs to know, governments have been, popularly elected governments have been dismissed through defections. We have what people in Maharashtra call Khoke ki Sarkar. And you are telling me now on this program that we are committed to democracy and therefore we want one nation, one election. Actually, the real problem in this country is Ayaram, Gayaram, defections, the manner in which all parties try and buy and sell. When will we talk about the real issues?
The solution to IRM, GAIRAM is not one nation, one election.
Rahul,
Right.
this is
The
very
solution
unfair.
to
I don't
IRM
think
is
the debate
a
is progressing
person
well.
who
Please, the
resigns
system
from
are
the
progressing.
Assembly of
This is the
Parliament
quality of the
should
debate.
be barred from contesting
I come in?
elections for 10 years.
I need to-
And that'll be the end.
So those are the real issues.
Because
Amitabh
I
Tiwari,
will get
1
time.
minute sir. Gaurav
Okay.
Bhatia, 1 minute. Amitabh Tiwari, is that the real issue? The real issue in this country is that we don't have a right to recall. Sunny Deol attended Parliament just a couple of, just a minute,
one
sir.
nation, one election.
Just a minute. Sir.
That are the different
Sir.
topics. Let's
No,
debate
1
the
minute.
topic. Why
The
are
real-
we digressing
sir.
from
The
the topic?
Sir, you cannot.
We are
sad.
digressing from the
Hitesh,
topic, Raj.
Hitesh, please.
This is the way he wants.
Sunny Deol attended
Rajiv,
Parliament a couple of
don't
times for
take
5
more
years.
time than the
I
Parliament.
don't have a right to recall. A government is chosen.
Grind with the BJP. Don't do this, please.
No, all
You are
sides-
talking about what kind of
You asked
electoral
me a question,
reforms
did
we
you
are
even
having.
come back to us to seek a response? Or I ask you now. leave it.
Amitabh has got
No, no,
only
I know.
30 seconds so far.
Okay.
You have had 6 minutes.
Yes, I
Have
represent
equal-
the
given
Bharatiya
equal time.
Janata Party. You are raising questions at Narendra Modi ji and the government. I need to respond. Now listen
I
to
will
me.
let you. Let him
I asked
finish.
you a question.
I will let you. First, he must start. No,
How
sir.
dare you say that democracy will not be taken forward by this? I ask you a question. Please answer. Right now, a voter gets how many opportunities to vote in the Assembly or the Lok Sabha? Tell me. Answer. 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 You don't have an answer. Second.
1 minute, sir.
Can I please come in?
Rajiv, how many times would the voter get an opportunity to vote in the Assembly and the Lok Sabha after one nation, one poll? Same. Why do you say that democracy will not be?
Can I please come in for a
Second.
minute?
Second,
No, he
please.
must let him. He's on a roll.
Second.
I thought June
he
4th
is
had made people
everybody-
more humble. Clearly, it has not.
Yeah.
You have become even ruder and more obnoxious. I'm sorry, but go ahead.
Who has become ruder and obnoxious?
I'm trying to ask you a question.
No, just a sec. Is this a personal comment on me?
It is a comment on someone
Okay.
who raises his
I will
voice
not be able
and
to
doesn't allow
participate.
anyone
Listen,
to speak.
Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
this I-
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense? I will not. Abstain from making any personal comments. Okay, tell me, which are the articles that have to be amended in the Constitution? Tell me.
Can I
Rajiv
come
has
in
to
for
tell
a
me.
minute, please?
Don't, no, please, just
No,
wait.
no, I want to make
Tell
a
me,
point.
which
Please
are the
don't try
articles
and
to be
do this to
amended?
me.
He won't be able to tell you the articles of the
Amitabh
Constitution.
Tiwari,
Sorry.
since
That
Mr.
is why-
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
You are sitting with...
Mr. Gaurav
Never
Bhatia,
ever make
your
personal
ability,
comment on
you
my
have,
party.
you are coming,
Never ever.
in this panel of 6, you've
Yes.
spoken the most and shouted
No,
the most. This
you-
audience can
you are
decide
the
that.
one who's
I'm not
biased
going to
the
get
most.
into it.
You are
I'm sorry.
biased to the
This
Bharatiya
audience
Janata
has
Party.
come here.
And I exercise my right. I ask you the article of the Constitution.
I am not
which
here-
needs to be amended. You
I am
don't
just-
even know. And you are anchoring the show.
गौरव जी
You
गौरव जी
can't... I'm just...
मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक
please.
बात बोलना चाह
मैं
रही हूँ
आपसे
गौरव
पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपको आर्टिकल
मैं
पता
आपसे
है?
एक बात पूछना
आपको
चाहती
आर्टिकल
हूँ
पता है? अगर
मेरे से
पता है तो
चिल्लाइए
बता
मत।
दीजिए।
लोग देखें यहाँ पे बैठे गौरव जी मैं आपसे एक बात
राजीव जी,
पूछना
मैं
चाह रही
आपसे
हूँ
आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ।
गौरव जी
If you ever make a personal comment on Narendra Modi ji or a BJP spokesperson, I will not take it. Do you understand?
What is the personal comment
You
we
said
made?
mean. You said mean and shouting. Why?
Because you are.
can I
And
make
to-
a
and
statement
have
for
you
the
not been
benefit of this
biased?
audience and for the
I will
benefit of
not
the
take
debate
it.
if we are
Sorry.
done with this
Sir, I
Okay,
will not
we
be...
are
No,
doing
listen.
it-
No, one
Rahul,
second.
Rahul, one
Rajdeep,
second.
just 1 second.
India today
Can I call?
I want to know the stand of
Okay, 1
India
second.
today.
I want to. We're running out of
Rahul,
time.
we are in Maharashtra.
We are
I just
running-
want to ask you one
Dare
thing.
you say
There
that
is a
again? Dare
Maharashtra
you say
audience
that?
here.
I warn you here.
Yeah,
I
Maharashtra.
warn you.
What are you doing?
Never ever make a personal comment
Please
about
show
my
me
leader.
the personal comment.
I
Please
will
show
tell
me.
you. I
What
will
was
tell.
the- what
How
was the
dare you
personal
say
comment?
that this nation will become a nation of one leader, Modi ji? How?
That's a
Tell
question.
me.
Am I not
How?
allowed to ask you a
Can I-
question?
How dare you?
Am I not? How
Has
dare?
he not
Are you
won 3
threatening me,
elections?
sir?
Has he not won 3 elections?
Okay,
Are you
Rajdeep,
Has he
Rajdeep.
not
No,
won
1
three
second.
elections?
Are you
No,
threatening me?
Listen,
Never
Gaurav bhai,
ever
Gaurav bhai.
do that
Are you
again.
threatening me?
Rajdeep.
I am telling you, and I will enforce.
I let
all
this
these
audience
remedies.
decide the quality of people that we
Okay,
have in
Please,
public life.
So,
if
okay,
the
one
quality
second.
is bad, listen, Rahul, no. If-
Okay,
listen.
you
wait.
made your point.
Wait,
Rahul.
No, I'm not.
No,
If
1
the-
second.
If the
Because
qua-
we're, no, 1
no,
second.
Rahul, please.
1 second. Faders down.
Rahul,
I must call this
No.
debate. No, this is not
Can
right. You're speaking.
Do you stand for that? what
I
he
don't
said?
stand for any of what anyone is doing.
Does
You
the
made your
Indian
point.
move say-
Gaurav bhai, you made your point.
Not that.
No, 1 second. I've got just a few minutes left before we wrap up. What I wish to do
You cannot
as we
shout
wrap up-
at
No,
me
1
like
second,
this,
Rajdeep,
sir.
just drop this.
I'm
1 second.
very patient.
Let's drop this.
You are not patient, you are
Gaurav bhai,
biased.
Gaurav bhai, you
And
made
that
a
is
point.
why I'm giving it back to you.
Gaurav, you made a
He
point.
doesn't.
You
What?
made a point. Now,
How?
you
How
can't.
could he say Narendra Modi ji,
I'm
one
not
nation,
agreeing.
one leader?
Hey, 1
I
second,
asked
you
you a
made a
question.
point.
On an India
1
Today
second.
platform.
I asked you a question.
Rahul,
1
How
second.
dare you?
Okay,
Can I
Gaurav,
make a
Gaurav,
point?
you made a point.
Narendra
You
Modi
made a
ji
point.
has
Or is
won
it supposed
3
to be a
elections.
I want to make just one point.
No, 1 second.
यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र के
Give me
लोग
1
ऐसे-
minute.
He
Give me
has
1
won
minute.
3 elections. And your anchor dares
Okay,
to
1
say
second, you
in
made that
India
point. Gaurav
that
bhai.
he is one nation, one leader.
Made a point. We've heard you. 1
So
second.
why did he say that?
What
He
is
can.
this threatening?
Arey,
What
he's
is
made a
happening?
point. You've responded. Calm down. You.
So why
He
is this
said
a platform
something.
for Modi bashing?
You've responded. 1
Is this
second.
a platform for
There is no
Modi
Modi
bashing?
bashing happening. What are you saying? Okay.
Never ever
1
do that
second.
again.
1 second. Time out.
You know
Time out.
nothing about
Okay.
the
1 second.
constitution and you
Gaurav
want
bhai.
to deliberate
Gaurav
it.
bhai. 1 second. 1 second. Rajdeep.
You invited us.
Yes.
How dare he say
You.
that you are,
He
how
said
dare
I asked
something.
you a
You made a
question.
How dare
point.
he say?
I asked
How
you a
dare I
question,
ask
sir.
Why are you
On this
asking me?
platform.
He's made a
I
point.
know.
I asked you a
All
question.
right,
You know what we're going to do is,
This is
I'm
not
going
gonna
to
serve
come
any
in.
purpose.
What
Okay,
we're
one
going to do
second,
is,
one second.
we're all going to
One
bring
second.
Please, sir. Do not threaten.
Never ever do that
Okay,
again to my
1
party.
second.
Threaten again.
We are
Just-
all
just
going
one
to
second.
break
Threaten, sir.
for
Here's-
lunch.
Here's what we are going to
I will
do.
give it back
Gaurav
to
bhai, okay, 1 second. Here's
Where? Where
here-
is square?
here-
I
here-
tell you.
here-
No.
here's
I
what
object.
you've made. Arey, how often will you object? You've objected. We've registered your objection. Now give everybody a chance. You are trying to monopolize the debate, which is not
I'm
fair.
I'm sorry.
He's
I think I was
he's
making
made a
fun.
point. You've objected. We've heard
Yeah,
you.
this is
Now
not
calm
an
down.
anti-BJP platform.
There is no anti-BJP platform.
So please.
You made a point. We've heard you. Now thande ho jao. Okay, 1 second. We're running
Can't
out of
do that
time.
again.
It's time also for lunch. I want, in the interest of fairness, to give everybody 30 seconds each to make concluding comments. Let's again try and raise the level of the debate. I'll start
these
with Supriya.
anchors?
So, Gaurav bhai,
these anchors?
you can't keep making the same point again and again. You've made that
Can't
point.
be making personal
You
comments.
cannot make the same point again and again. Supriya
I will.
Shrinate,
I
final
will,
points.
Rahul.
Final words. Will you let others speak, please? Supriya Shrinate, final words.
We are sitting in Mumbai. महाराष्ट्र का जो चुनाव हरियाणा और जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ करा नहीं पाए, बात कर रहे हैं वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन की। असलियत तो ये है। And I want to tell this audience, I am sorry for what happened here. I am sorry on the behalf of political parties and politicians at large. We wasted your time. I am sorry about that. You should apologize too.
Okay, 1 second. Gaurav, you've spoken enough. Hitesh,
No,
I'll
sorry.
come to you last.
So-
I'll
sorry,
come.
no, no,
you
I
cannot
need to
decide
speak.
when you will speak. I'm sorry.
No, Rahul,
Hitesh
this
Jain,
is-
I give you 30 seconds to make your final points. Yes, please.
Rahul, time for one nation, one election has come. I don't think this is an adversarial debate, but this is a topic on which we should rise and keep the national interest above the political interest.
Amitabh Tiwari, 30 seconds.
See, it is a disruptive idea and it needs much wider consultations because in the committee report itself, the cost benefit is not mentioned. How much money ECI is going to save by conducting simultaneous elections is not mentioned. The benefits are largely intangible, which is very, very difficult to quantify. So we need much wider consultations.
Which is the idea,
And-
which is
and
why
Rahul,
we did this.
and Rahul.
You've spoken now.
Just- no,
Supriya ji.
this is for your benefit.
In the-
Now you will allow.
Give
I am-
everyone
Now
a
you will
I'm not
allow.
allowing it.
Supriya,
I'm
you
not
can't.
allowing it.
No,
Jagdeep ji.
Jagdeep
Let- let- one
spoken.
second. Jagdeep ji, 30 seconds to make your final comments.
I am sorry I came to participate in this conclave because I did not come for this that has happened here, and I have nothing more to say. If this is the way politics in the country is going to be run, we can have one nation, one election, 2,000 nations, 5,000 elections. It is not going to make any difference.
Gaurav Bhatia,
can I
30
just
seconds.
give my 30 seconds?
Okay, fine. Aap bhi.
My 30 seconds is this. We have a show, elections on my plate. You do Jab We Met. We go to different parts of this wonderful country. I've come back from Haryana. I was earlier in Jammu and Kashmir. I only hope one nation, one election doesn't prevent us from doing that. We want to celebrate each and every corner of the greatest country in
And
the
your
world.
money minting conclave.
Just a minute.
One
Ma'am,
second.
allow
Let-
me to finish.
Let
The
Gaurav
only
Bhatia.
way you can celebrate this country, allow every Indian to
By
express
calling
himself,
names to the Prime
is
Minister,
have-
you will celebrate.
Just a minute, sir. I will replay that. I want the audience. I asked a question. Is this about one nation, one election, or one nation, one election, one leader? That's the question I asked. If you feel that's an attack on the Prime Minister, I am more than willing to apologize for it. Mera dil bahut bada hai. You don't know how big my chest is, but I won't refer to my chest. I only will refer to the
Now,
fact.
this is all
Okay,
fine.
I
Rajiv,
remain-
now you're
I
doing more
remain-
than 30 seconds.
That's the whole problem.
Gaurav Bhatia, 30 seconds. Khatam karo.
India is proud of Narendra Modi ji. He is a leader who has won 3 elections in a row. Remember that. Two, I want to make it very clear that one nation, one poll is a necessity. It's not an article of luxury. Read the constitution. I will tell you, read Article 83, read Article 368, and you will come to know why it's important. And you, as a citizen, have one vote. Gaurav Bhatia, as a citizen, has one vote. By being in minority, you have no right to dictate terms what the country will do. And I will end by a couplet. इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, मुझे यकीन है पूरा आसमान कम है. ये है भारतीय जनता पार्टी and the citizenry of the country. Thank you.
There are 2 couplets. One is, गुलिस्तां को लहू की जरूरत पड़ी, सबसे पहले थी गर्दन हमारी कटी. अब ये कहते हैं मुझको ये अहले चमन, ये चमन है हमारा तुम्हारा नहीं.
मैं कुछ कहता हूं, मैं भी कहता हूं.
इसका जवाब है, जालिमों अपनी किस्मत पे नाजा न हो, दौर बदलेगा ये वक्त की बात है. वो यकीनन सुनेगा दुआएं मेरी, क्या तुम्हारा खुदा है हमारा नहीं.
Gaurav Bhatia
So,
wants to
yes.
respond with a couplet. Only couplets allowed, nothing else.
Only couplets. पहला साहब ने कहा
इरशाद.
दौर बदलेगा, तो मैं ये जरूर कहूंगा भारत की जनता की शान में हम वो दरिया हैं जिसे अपना हुनर मालूम है, हम जिस तरफ चल देंगे रास्ते बन जाएंगे. एंड सेकंड, for the people who oppose, who say Sikhs can't wear turban, constitution has been destroyed, आप गैरों की बात करते हैं, आप गैरों की बात करते हैं, हमने अपने भी आजमाए हैं. लोग कांटों से बच के चलते हैं, हमने फूलों से जख्म खाए हैं. एंड यू ऑल नो हु आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. डिस्ट्रॉइंग द इंडियन इमेज ऑन फॉरेन सॉइल. थैंक यू.